Hey apples, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a quick wash day routine with the Shea Moisture JBCO shampoo. And that's my hair after 45 minutes of deep conditioning. I will upload that video soon. And here I am showing you guys the shampoo. It is a dark colored shampoo. Now I'm going to rinse out the deep conditioner from out of my hair. It was more like a clay or a mud consistency, one like some of the previous ones I've made, and I'll leave links to them in the description box. And also when I upload that deep conditioning video, I'll make reference to this video. So now I'm pouring out some shampoo in my hand, just enough to lather my scalp. As you can see, I'm going in and I'm focusing on my scalp rather than my hair itself. So eventually when I'm rinsing it out, it will run down my hair, so no need. I just focus on cleansing my scalp, and I love a good wash, guys. So I wash twice. So this is the little perp one and the little warm up one, and I'm scrubbing my scalp to make sure it's squeaky clean because I love a clean scalp, you guys. And that's all I'm doing right here. I'm gonna jump into some of the things I really loved about this shampoo. Guys, I love the latter. I love a shampoo that suds even when I'm washing my clothes. If it's not sudsing, I feel like it's not washing. Anyway, guys, another thing, it made my hair feel super soft for a shampoo. My hair didn't feel stripped at all, no way, shape, or form. Guys, I loved the smell of this shampoo. It smells so freaking good. Um, so this shampoo has shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar in it, and it said cleanse and nourish natural, chemical processed or heat styled hair. It's sulfate free and color safe. That means if you have color hair, you can use it without worrying about it stripping the color of your hair. I don't know how true that is. Okay, it's I already said no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no propylene glycol, no animal test. It says right here the sulfate free clarifying shampoo removes buildup while infusing hair with moisture. Perfect for those who regularly color, straighten, perm, or heat style their hair, as well as kinky, curly, or wavy natural styles. Formulated with Jamaican Black castor oil and certified organic shea butter to help promote growth by nourishing and strengthening damaged or chemically processed hair, reducing the appearance of breakage and shedding. Peppermint oil helps stimulate the scalp for an invigorating experience. How you do it? You apply it to wet hair, as you see. Gently massage from root to ends, that you see in the video. Rinse thoroughly. Repeat if necessary. For best results, pair with Jamaican Black castor oil strengthening and restore conditioner, which I didn't do because I didn't have the conditioner. Okay, and here it's telling you the benefits of the ingredients. So organic shea butter, it deeply moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp. Jamaican black castor oil loaded with reparative omegas that promote healthy hair growth. Peppermint stimulates the scalp for an invigorating experience, and apple cider vinegar cleanses the scalp and balances the pH in our hair. Guys, look at that. Look at all that definition, guys. And my hair was so soft and super moisturized. And that was after just shampooing. I haven't even touched my hair with conditioner. And that's the end of this quick wash tutorial. And until my next video, guys, one love.